The backyard, excuse me.
With a 6, Mia.
Not,
No.
It's not.
Mm-mm.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Is it on? Yay. Okay. Can you hear me now?
I can't talk. Hey there, I'm Britt.
Hey, y'all. I'm Mia.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Emerald Coast and beyond. So don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
So we're over here in Bay Point, and we're over here at a gorgeous canal front home. And Mia, we're kind of like doing an Easton special today, right? What else do we got going on?
Yeah, so also we have a 5-bedroom at the Preserve, and then we are going to your condo at Long Beach, and that's a 3-bedroom right on the water.
Awesome. Yes, everyone loves Long Beach. I would have another condo to tell you about, but this one sold it already. Before we share all these great properties we have up our sleeve, I want Mia to give us just a little bit of a tidbit about an awesome fundraiser that's coming up benefiting Food for Kids. Mia, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so it's going to be really, really fun. It's 1920s theme casino night, and it's going to be located right here in Bay Point at the newly reopened Sheraton Resort. And it is coming up on September the 14th. You have to get your tickets by September the 6th, so we will not be selling them at the door.
Okay, so we'll make sure we include a slide about that event after the video, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey there, it's Britt. We're over here at Bay Point. We're at this hot property on a nice big corner lot overlooking the canal. That's right, this home is right on the canal with your very own boat lift that can fit a boat up to 10,000 pounds. And in addition, the backyard has a sparkling saltwater pool, lots of outdoor living space. As you mosey on into inside, you have a nice little screen porch as well. Another thing that I love about this home, by the way, plenty of space, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. When you go into the main living room, you've got nice expansive ceilings, a very expansive master bedroom that connects nicely to that outdoor screen porch I talked about. Lots of upgrades, granite countertops in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. There's even a little formal dining room off the kitchen that you could double as an office if you wanted to. You'll really like the neutral color palette of this home. Could go with any style of decorating. It just needs your special touch. And that's not it, guys. In addition to the big yard, lots of room for your beach toys, for your boat, for your jet skis, that beautiful pool, there is also a nice big spacious garage and a beautiful gated community in Bay Point over here on the east end of Panama City Beach. Give us a call today and we would love to show it to you. Hey there, it's Britt with The Beach Show, and we just got a quick bite to eat over at J. Michael's on Thomas Drive. We've been doing a feature on the East End today, and it was raining a little bit earlier, so we just snuck into the car, and we're going to tell you about one of our properties. I wanted to tell you about this beautiful, nice home over at the Preserve on the Bay. The Preserve on the Bay is just a hop, skip, a jumping away from where we are right now. Nice gated community near Bay Point as well. And this 5-bedroom home was recently painted on the exterior, brand new pool enclosure, brand new roof, beautifully manicured front yard. When you walk in, you're going to notice a nice, inviting living room with windows all around, letting you peer into your beautiful backyard and that gorgeous pool. You're going to notice lots of nice-sized rooms and plenty of room in that garage for all of your beach goodies. Another great thing about this gated community is it has very affordable HOAs, and the location is awesome. East end of the beach, very close to the Navy base, as well as Petronas Elementary School. You cannot beat this 5-bedroom house over here in the Preserve. It's priced at $464. Give us a call. We would absolutely love to show it to you. Hey there, I'm back. I wanted to tell you about an awesome condo listing we have over at Long Beach Resort, Long Beach Towers. It's over on the east end of the beach, close to Pineapple Willie's, the Super Walmart, the Waffle House, lots of stuff like that. What I love about Long Beach is there is crazy, crazy big balconies, y'all. So much space, gorgeous Gulf views. There are Gulf views all along the living room in this condo, as well as the front 2 bedrooms. Floor to ceiling glass Gulf views. It's amazing. In addition to that, there is also an owner's studio when you first walk in. So the flexibility of this unit is where it's at. You could live in the 1 bedroom and rent out the 2, or just the opposite, or keep it for a beach getaway just for you and your family. The sky is the limit. They're really, really good vacation rental projections on this unit. So I'd love for you to reach out. I'm happy to share those with you. Units like this in Long Beach rarely come up. So I know you want to find out more about it. This 3-3 was recently painted. It's vacant, ready for you to put your special touches on it. It's priced in the 540s. We would love to show it to you.